One of the main causes of battery failure, especially nowadays that we are on lockdown, I mean, not many people are traveling, is the battery, which is a lead acid type, yeah, for cars. So there are several types, but essentially they're similar in design. And these types of batteries don't like to be undercharged, so they want to be at 100% capacity all the time. So you'll probably notice if you've been traveling a lot that your battery lasts longer. But if you're not traveling a lot, particularly in our time now, the battery don't last very long, maybe less than, sometimes just a little over the warranty period, or in some cases maybe just a year. And reason for that is the cells of the battery here get sulfated if they don't get charged at full capacity. So what I've been doing for the last maybe 5 years is I purchased this one. This is a battery charger. Yeah, it's a car battery charger, and a good practice is you charge your car every, maybe about every week at least, or yeah, every 1 week or every 2 weeks, so that it's maintained at full capacity. If you wanna do it every day, it's quite possible. So for this particular one, I bought this from Lazada or Shopee, about 700, 600, or 800 pesos. Depends on the sellers really. And what you simply do is, let me put this first. You plug the cable. It really doesn't matter which one you do first. So put this first, and then the other one right here. Yeah. So right now the battery is 13.1. So ideally the full charge is at 12.9 and above. Yeah. So if you're below that, it means that your battery is undercharged. So after you put that in, just plug this in. Okay. And it's rated at 10. So right now it's charging about 9 amps. Yeah. So it should stabilize. So it depends on how discharged your battery is. It may take 30 minutes, 10 minutes, 5 minutes. Yeah. So yeah. So I hope it helps you guys to maintain your battery. Yeah. So my car is an MG5, and it's been sitting here for a few weeks already. We don't use this that much because I don't travel a lot anymore. Even not just from work, but also for leisure. Yeah. So with this practice, I have two other vehicles right over there. The Ranger's battery is about probably over 3 years. Yeah, it's over 3 years already. This one here, I think it's still under warranty. But yeah, they last over 2 years at least. Yeah. Thank you guys. Bye bye.